Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great pleasure to join you all for this afternoon to be part of and to celebrate Manoj and Sumit's accomplishment. When I think about small businesses, I have a special sentiment, purely because we are at the ministry that looks after all MSMEs, and because it means a lot to us, and it means we are actually supporting our local communities and empowering budding business owners like Manoj and Sumit to progress. Although I have a little secret, I know that he's actually leaving us, so he's going to leave everything to his father. Manos Motors, ladies and gentlemen, will serve not only the people of the community, but those actually traveling through from Nakasi and the King's Highway. And today I want to congratulate the managing directors of this business for their work and also for their achievement. What you have accomplished here is not small, but it's most definitely business-like, and it would be remiss of me if I did not also thank Sumit and also Mrs. Aradhana Kamal and Mr. Araf Prasad, who have been a good support system for the managing directors of Manos Motors. Ladies and gentlemen, to all of you, the Fijian government actually believes in small businesses because we believe in the ability of small businesses to create jobs and also to promote entrepreneurial independence. Manos Motors, ladies and gentlemen, is one of the companies accredited and appointed by the Land Transport Authority to carry out vehicle inspections. And such establishments not only encourage economic activity, but actually supports the LTA in steering Fiji in terms of safely towards adequate, effective and efficient safe transportation throughout Fiji. I am told that the new business will provide vehicle inspections and will operate on weekdays and on Saturdays. I think this is really good because I know a lot of people complain about the LTA. They're too busy, just the times are too long. This is actually good and it's taken away from the main office. So for those of you that need to get your registration done, brand new place for you to do it. It'll also create employment for about 100 odd Fijians once this is diversified into an export market, I understand, as another business in Reki, taking Sumit's interest and passion for farming to the next level in the future. So this is not the only business that's a part of the major enterprise. Ladies and gentlemen, being a young gentleman from Barotu, I'm talking about this young gentleman, in Reki, he's also the proud owner of 2 farms in Duvu, and Singatoka and Dama and Reki, and I have seen firsthand the kind of stuff that he's actually produced out of his farms. He cultivates pomegranate, ginger, turmeric, and dalo, and certainly indicating that a gentleman with a diploma in accounting and automotive engineering can explore other business opportunities outside the discipline of his formal education. I just wanted to share those stories because these are the people behind the success of our country. These are the people that are the backbone of our country. So today, ladies and gentlemen, is not about long speeches nor reminding everyone of the achievements of the Fijian government, which you're all aware of. It's about creating a new culture of entrepreneurship and empowering job creators like Manoj and Sumit. So this is why the Fijian government gives so much attention to the promotion of small business as such. I want to congratulate the whole family and for the significant investment worth almost about 600K, I think, or 500K, which I'm sure the community of Nakasi will enjoy. Hopefully in the near future, you'll be celebrating another milestone by taking your business further. I also wanted to take this opportunity. Many of you will be familiar with this gentleman here. I'm not sure if all of you are aware, but he's leaving us to go to Australia. Not permanently, but he's actually going across for work. He's being headhunted because he's a smart, very talented young gentleman who Australia has decided to take from us in terms of work. So he'll be away for a little while. Although I know that his father and mother are not happy about him leaving. But we want to wish him well, and we're hoping to see him back here in the next couple of years after he's done extremely well out in Australia. He's a very talented young man, and certainly a great product of Fiji. And this is the kind of young people that we need in our country to keep going in the same manner that we actually have, and progress comes from hard work. This is hard work, that's progress. With those few words, ladies and gentlemen, it's my absolute pleasure to be here. And of course, we must not forget that behind all of these three is a lady sitting here who happens to be their mother and his wife, who actually looks after them on a daily basis. Thank you all for being here, and I just wanted to officially declare Manos Motors here in Nakasi open. Thank you very much. Nabalewu.